This is Nokia C12, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can clear app cache and data on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then find and enter the Apps category. In here, open the list of all installed apps. Then find the app that you would like to clear the data for. Then open the storage and cache section, and at the storage page you can either clear cache exclusively or remove all app data and user data that it has. So here's how you clear cache, and by going for manage space and clear all data options, you will remove all the user data that this app stores. Sometimes you will need to do it a few times in order for it to be properly executed, since as you can see, first time it shut itself down and haven't deleted the data, and the second time it deleted almost all data but 14 kilobytes for some reason. So I'll do that the third time to ensure that absolutely all data is removed. Or actually, for some apps like Google Play services, it might be that some of the data is reserved and is prevented from being removed, so the app will not crash or malfunction after that. So that's completely normal, and well, overall 14 kilobytes is not the type of storage occupation that you should be worried about. But anyway, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.